Attracting someone you like can be a challenging endeavor, and it's common to feel a bit intimidated or unsure about how to navigate the complexities of relationships. However, when approached sincerely and with the right mindset, the process can be incredibly rewarding and fulfilling. Instead of relying on superficial tactics that may yield temporary results, it's far more beneficial to focus on building genuine, meaningful connections that have the potential to blossom into lasting relationships. Here are some key strategies to consider that can enhance your ability to attract and connect with the special girl in your life. One, cultivate confidence. Confidence is an undeniably attractive quality that draws people towards you. However, it is crucial to distinguish true confidence from arrogance and to foster a sense of self-assuredness that allows you to feel comfortable in your own skin without crossing the line into boastfulness. This balance can make a significant difference in how you are perceived by others. Here are some steps to help you build that confidence. Know yourself. Take the time to understand your unique strengths and weaknesses. Embrace what makes you individual and special, while being cognizant of areas where you might seek improvement. Body language, your nonverbal cues can speak volumes about your self-confidence. Stand tall, maintain steady eye contact, and offer a warm smile when engaging with others. These positive body language signals invite connection and indicate openness. Practice. Engage in various social situations, even those that push you out of your comfort zone. The more you expose yourself to social interactions, the better equipped you will become in handling them effortlessly. 2. Develop good communication skills. Effective communication is an essential cornerstone for fostering genuine connections with others. Your ability to convey your thoughts and feelings clearly, while also being receptive to others, plays a critical role in how relationships blossom. Here are some strategies to enhance your communication skills. Active listening. Show genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings by asking open-ended questions that invite her to share more. This demonstrates that you care about her perspective and value her opinions. Share about yourself. While listening is crucial, you should also contribute to the conversation by sharing your own experiences and anecdotes to create a balanced dialogue. This exchange fosters a deeper understanding of one another. Be authentic. Staying true to yourself is paramount. Authenticity is incredibly appealing. Be honest about who you are, including your quirks and imperfections. This vulnerability can create a stronger bond between you and her. 3. Show respect and kindness. Respect is a vital component of healthy and flourishing relationships. Demonstrating respect and kindness not only sets the tone for your interactions, but also helps to establish trust and mutual appreciation. Here are several ways to effectively show respect and kindness. Respect boundaries. Every individual has their own personal boundaries. Be mindful of her comfort levels and respect her personal space and decisions. Recognizing and honoring these boundaries is crucial in building trust. Be supportive. Take the initiative to encourage her goals and interests actively. Showing that you believe in her aspirations and are there to support her can significantly strengthen your connection. Practice empathy. Strive to understand and validate her feelings. Empathizing with her experiences allows for a deeper emotional connection, demonstrating that you genuinely care about her well-being. 4. Focus on personal growth. Investing time and energy into your own personal growth not only enhances your attractiveness, but also leads to increased fulfillment and satisfaction in other areas of your life. Here are some areas to focus on to cultivate your personal growth. Pursue hobbies. Engage in activities that you are truly passionate about, as this not only enriches your life, but also provides opportunities to meet like-minded individuals who share your interests. Stay fit and healthy. Regular exercise and a balanced diet can greatly boost your physical confidence and energy levels. Feeling good physically often translates to increased self-esteem and positivity. Cultivate positivity. Maintaining an optimistic outlook on life is incredibly attractive. Positivity can create a warm and inviting atmosphere that naturally draws others to you. 5. Be patient and genuine. Building meaningful connections takes time and effort. It's essential to be patient throughout this process and to let things unfold naturally. Here are some final pointers. Don't rush. Allow feelings and connections to develop at their own pace. Rushing can lead to misunderstandings and misplaced expectations. Be honest. Clearly communicate your intentions when you feel it's appropriate. Establishing honesty from the start can prevent potential misunderstandings and promote trust. Accept rejection gracefully. Understand that not every connection will result in a romantic relationship, and that's perfectly alright. Accepting rejection with grace shows maturity and confidence, allowing you to maintain a positive attitude. Conclusion. In conclusion, attracting girls is ultimately about being the best version of yourself. By cultivating your confidence, improving your communication skills, showing respect and kindness, focusing on your personal growth, and practicing patience, you can forge meaningful connections based on mutual respect and understanding. Remember, the goal is not just to attract, but to build lasting and fulfilling relationships that enhance both your life and the lives of those you connect with. Embrace the journey of discovering genuine connections and enjoy the process of getting to know someone special. Well, we have reached the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe to support me.
Fuck who did I offend? Rappers, sit back, I'm about to sit back, I'm